Whoa, we're back, fresh off of 6 months of paternity leave here, which is fantastic. We got our first big winter storm here, so let's kind of talk about it. Let's review some concepts. This body of water here in the southern U.S. is called the Gulf of Mexico, or whatever it's called now. Who the heck knows? These are the important things. And if we take a look, the Gulf of Mexico is going to be like a really warm body of water. And so what we're going to have is a lot of evaporation off of the Gulf of Mexico. And if we look at the way that the weather is tracking, it's tracking straight up the East Coast here. So, just looking at my weather station right here, it's like 36 degrees outside and about 70% humidity. So there's a lot of moisture. It's warm, and there's a lot of moisture in the air right now, currently over us in the Northeast. And this is going to be important. As we kind of take a look, we got Thursday here, Friday, Saturday. We've got this advancing cold air mass. The front of a cold air mass, by the way, is called a cold front. And as that cold front advances, it's going to push that warm air out of the way. However, we should remember with density that like hot wants to rise and cold wants to sink. So that cold air mass is going to come in. It's going to force that warm air up. That warm air is going to decrease in temperature, and as it decreases in temperature, it's going to precipitate. The cold air can hold less moisture. And so, to summarize all of that, we have really warm, wet air over us in the Northeast. We have this advancing cold front that's going to force all that air up, and then all of that precipitation, let's go minimum temps here, all that precipitation is going to fall through. I mean, let's get these 1 degrees, 0 degrees. Can we get to Sunday? 7, 8, 9. So it looks like Saturday night is like the coldest. So we're gonna get really light, fluffy snow. How much, right? I mean, how much? It's looking like we're gonna get. I don't know. I mean, most of New York is in the same band here. Like 1 inch of total precip. Can we turn 1 inch of total precip into a foot of snow? With temperatures like 1 degree. I don't know. It's pushing it. I mean, I think that this storm. There's two things I don't love about this storm. One, I think it's a little bit over forecasted. I think if we do get a bunch of snow, it's going to be super light, fluffy snow. It's going to blow around, so maybe we'll get some big drifts here. But I think like I'm hearing some numbers like way over a foot. There's no big storm. It doesn't make. I don't see any storm system here. We just have an advancing cold front. That seems questionable to me. I think this is going to be more in like the 8 to 12 range, closer to 8 would be my guess. I mean, I'll make another video tomorrow if we see a storm develop. And I think what we're going to be dealing with is incredibly light, fluffy snow that you could like get rid of with a leaf blower. Also, I don't love this coming on Sunday. I think that the real cold front's going to kind of hit us on Saturday. I think this is going to be more of like a Saturday afternoon, evening event into Sunday. I don't. I see this. I see this more Thursday, Friday. I mean, I kind of looks like the front's hitting us on Friday there. But definitely by Saturday, that front is well over us. I mean, I think that this is more of like a Saturday afternoon event. We'll see. If things change tomorrow, it's Thursday as I record this. If things change tomorrow, I'll make an updated video. Peace out.